Good morning, folks. This is MK Metro Weather here with a severe weather breakdown. As you can see, a good portion of our area is in a marginal risk for severe weather today. So, we're going to talk about CAPE, convective available potential energy. So, CAPE is basically saying how much energy is in the atmosphere. So, let's just jump right into the ARRR. You can see this is about 6 p.m. Got a good amount of CAPE going. Then if we go over to precipitation, we go through this morning. Here comes midnight. Look at where those storms are firing. Let's just take a look at a photograph. Marginal severe, but look at that hail. Definitely a possibility to keep an eye on. Hail could be large. Then as we head into the overnight hours, here's about 10, 11 or so, and it sticks around there for a little while, so I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit of a flooding issue, especially in Washington, maybe northern Waukesha, maybe Jefferson and Ozaukee County. Because if you watch, it's just hanging around, and then it takes off. So, let's go to the NAM model. We want CAPE. So this is surface based, so like how much juice is right there. Let's try this again. So, look at that CAPE absolutely blow up. And then as we head into the overnight hours, it does dissipate. So this one's a little interesting to watch it take off that early. Something I would definitely be monitoring. Okay, let's work phone. There we go. So here it is. It has them taking off a little bit earlier. So this would be about 3 p.m. So if that happens, I think we have a little bit more energy in the atmosphere to get these storms really going. So, and then this is about 6 p.m. Let's take a quick look at the temperatures. It's going to be absolutely beautiful today. Let me tell you that. It's going to be a beautiful day today. You can see temperatures warm, go down, the usual. One model that, hang on, my phone is not liking me today. Let's do this and then this. There we go. This is the RRF SA. Is it super reliable? No. But can I still use it? Yes. So I mainly look at it for temperature aspect. It's got those temps taking off tonight. We'll look at the precipitation type. It has a little, they almost have it in two waves. There's wave 1. Here comes wave 2. So the question is, let's look at the CAPE. Surface-based. Here comes this evening. It has it a little bit more towards the west, but you can still see there's a little bit in Dane, Jefferson County. There's about 3 or 4. And this, I haven't seen this. It wraps around and works north. That's kind of interesting to see. If we want to look at the STP, significant tornado parameter, it's not working. Okay. We can look at the ARRRs. Maybe. You can see not too much, not overly concerned. Although there is that blob there. Yes, it's definitely worth monitoring. But no, I'm not overly concerned about it. This has 1.5 inch sized hail. Pretty decent sized hail too, just openly and honestly. That is decent sized hail. Going back here, you can see that's what I'm worried about. Is this little line right here. Because it could, especially if these turn into supercells. Let's look at this quick. It's got marginal tornado. 1.5 inch sized hail. So definitely, I'm not going to rule out a few spin-ups today. Large hail and damaging winds are the main threat. Just can't rule out a couple spin-ups. I just can't, unfortunately. This afternoon could be interesting. It could be a dud. Let's look at the 12Z. And it's got, once again, that line. But notice how it's a little bit further south. Not by much, but it's enough. And this one says no, severe weather. Let's look at the STP here for 12Z. It's got a little bit right there. If we look at this, it's got tornado. So, that's a little interesting to see. Let's go to 0Z and see what it looks like here. Right in here. This would be the timing for a isolated spin up. According to the HRRR. Just taking a look at that. Chance for a couple spin ups. Not overly concerned. But like I said, damaging winds, large hail, main concerns today. Just want to look at the Cape real quick because most likely it's about the same. Yeah, about the same, a little bit higher, but not by much. Interesting to see a little bit of yellow there. Not overly concerned though. Do you want to look at the supercell composite to see what chance of supercells are a little bit more prone to severe weather? So you can see there's a little bit right along 43. If this was the case, I'd probably target Grafton if I'm chasing today. But yeah, that is everything. Remember, we have marginal risk. Next update's at 11:30 a.m. And make sure you follow me on Twitter for more updates.